Okay, so here the differential equation has been given as x cube minus 3xy square into dx, that will be equal to y cube minus 3x square y into dy. So dy by dx, that will be equal to x cube minus 3xy square divided by y cube minus 3x square y. Yeah. So if I take this is f of x comma y, then obviously we can say that that will be equal to also f of lambda x comma lambda y. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. So this is a homogeneous, sorry, differential equation. So therefore, we can put y equals to vx. Then we have dy by dx, that will be equal to v plus x dv by dx. Okay. So that will be equal to, so this will be x cube plus 3x, sorry, this will be minus x cube minus 3x into vx whole square divided by vx whole cube minus 3x square into vx. So this will be v plus x dv by dx, that will be equal to x cube minus 3v square x cube divided by, this will be v cube x cube minus 3v into x cube. Okay. So this will become v plus x dv by dx, that will be equal to, so from here x cube I can take it as common, it will be 1 minus 3v square divided by x cube into v cube minus 3v. So x cube will get cancelled. V plus x dv by dx, that will be equal to 1 minus 3v square divided by v cube minus 3v. Okay. Then we can say that will be x dv by dx, that will be equal to 1 minus 3v square by v cube minus 3v minus v. Okay. So this will be v cube minus 3v divided by 1 plus 3, sorry, 1 minus 3v square, v cube plus 3v by 1 minus 3v square into dv, that will be equal to dx by x. And this we have to integrate. Sorry, there is something wrong here. This one is wrong. Okay, we can solve this in the next slide. So therefore we got x dv by dx, that is equal to 1 minus 3v square divided by v cube minus 3v minus v. So we can say x dv by dx, that will be equal to 1 minus 3v square minus v power 4 plus 3v square. This will divide by v cube minus 3v. So plus 3v square and minus 3v square will cancel. This will become x dv by dx, that is equals to 1 minus v power 4 divided by v cube minus 3v. So that will be v cube v cube minus 3v by 1 minus v power 4 into dv to be equal to dx by x. Then we have to integrate both sides. So then uh, so now this integral v cube minus 3v by 1 minus v power 4 into dv, that we can write it as, this will be log base ex plus some constant c plus some constant, or we can write it as some constant in the form of log, that is log c1 suppose. Then uh, so we can write this as integral v cube dv by 1 minus v power 4, then minus 3 into v dv by 1 minus v power 4. That will be equal to log base ex plus log c1. Then let suppose I take this integral as I1. So I1 will be integral v cube dv by 1 minus v power 4. And let's say this is I2. I2 is integral v dv by 1 minus v power 4. So now here, if we put 1 minus v power 4 equals to t suppose, then we get minus 4 v cube dv, that is equal to dt. So the integral I1, I can write it as minus 1 by 4 integral dt by t. So this will be equal to minus 1 by 4 log base e t. So this will be equal to minus 1 by 4 log base e mod of 1 minus v power 4. Okay. Then we can find I2. So I2 will be uh, integral v dv by 1 minus v power 4. So this we can write it as integral v dv by 1 minus v square whole square. So now if we put v square equals to suppose u, then we can say 2v dv, that is equals to du. And then therefore this I2 can be written as 1 by 2 integral du divided by 1 minus u square. So this we can write it as 1 by 2 1 by 2 into log mod 1 minus u by 1, sorry, 1 plus u by 1 minus u. Since why? Since we know that integral dx by a square minus x square, that is what? That is equals to 1 by 2a log base e mod a plus x by a minus x. Yes or no? So this we can use here. So this will be half of base is e. So half of log base e mod of 1 plus v square by 1 minus v square. So now, therefore, okay. So this is so here we can see that this will be I1 minus 3I2. That is equals to log x plus log c1. So I can write will be I1, that is I1 is your minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 log mod 1 minus v square v power 4, then minus 3 I2 is 3 by 2 log base e mod 1 plus v square by 1 minus v square. So that will be equal to log base e c1x. So this we can write it as minus 1 by 4 if I take it as common. This will be log mod 1 minus v power 4 plus this will be sorry, this will be here, this will be into 2 again. So this will be 1 by 4. This will be 3 by 4 actually. So this will be plus 3 log 1 plus v square by 1 minus v square. That is equals to log base e c1x. So then this will be minus 1 by 4 log 1 minus v power 4 1 minus v power 4 into 1 plus v square by 1 minus v square. A whole cube actually. This will be equal to log of, means this is the log of this, log base e c1x. Now we can say this will be minus 1 by 4 log, this will be 1 plus v square. So 1 minus v square into 1 plus v square I can write. It is, so it will be 1 plus v square whole power 4 by 1 minus v square whole square. That is equals to log base e c1x. So then we can write it as be 1 plus v square whole power 4 divided by 1 minus v square whole square. That is equals to c1x whole power minus 4. Since why this minus 4 I can take it here. Okay. Therefore, then we can solve. Therefore, we can see that this will be 1 plus v squared. So now v we can substitute as y by x. So it will be 1 plus y by x, y square by x square whole power 4 divided by 1 minus y square by x square whole square. That is equals to 1 by c1x whole power 4. x square plus y square whole power 4 divided by x square whole power 4. So this is x power 8 into, this will be x power 4 divided by x square minus y square whole square. That will be equal to 1 by c1x whole power 4. So now this will cancel out. This will be x power 4. So we can say this will be x square plus y square whole power 4 divided by x square minus y square whole square. That will be equal to x power 4 divided by c1 square into x power 4. So x power 4 will cancel out. So therefore, you can say that it will come x square minus y square whole square. That will be equal to c1 square x square plus y square whole power 4. Or we can say that this will be x square minus y square, that is equals to some constant c times x square plus y square. If you take the square root on both sides, then we can say this will be equal to x square plus y square whole power whole square. Here we are taking the constant c1 square as c. So this is your final. So finally, it was asked to prove that what was being asked to prove. Yeah. Yeah. So hence we have proved. Okay. So hence proved. Thank you.